And they installed an electrical box and wiring for a light above the tub. Here there was an electrical box with a switch for the one light above the vanity and the exhaust fan. And I pulled it out and put in a 3 slot electrical box. Be a separate switch for the light above the tub. So that electrical outlet that was there above the vanity, we moved it over to, where is it? It's right there. Yeah, right there. And then I removed the medicine chest. We're going to put a big mirror all the way across this wall here, from that corner to the edge of the drywall there. So I removed that rotted board that was there. There's another one I'm going to need to place in there. And those 2 vertical boards are a little bit low. There's some excess concrete poured right there. So I'm just going to grind down the bottom of those 2 vertical boards and get that board on the floor there to fit. So I use my Dremel to grind that bottom of that board down. That should do it. I got the one board ground down. I'm going to try this hacksaw on the other one a little faster. Real close. I should I'll get that in there. Okay, now I got that board in there. And I'm going to secure it to the vertical boards with some angle brackets. Normally you use a power action nail gun to drive a nail through the board into the concrete foundation, but just some angle brackets attached to the vertical board should be fine.